everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about how to create a task in Odoo website form. So let's dive into the website module, and here we just need to design a form. So you can see that I have already created a form over here, and upon the submission of this form, we just need to create a task in the project module. So as you just move on to the edit button here, you would be able to find different snippets. So if you want to add any other snippets, you can add that. So for the time being, I would like to add a snippet which is a social media. Now let me choose this, and later on let's say the changes. So you can see the changes that we have made in the form, and here you can also find the form over here. So all these are the dynamic content, which means we can just make the changes in it. We can just drag and drop everything. So if you want to just add a form, you can just add it by drag and drop, by dragging and dropping, or if you want to customize any field in it, you can also do that. And upon the submission of the submit button, submission of the form, we just need to create a task. So we have to change the action likewise. So here you can see that we have the option to create a task, and I'll be choosing that option. And if we want to add any of the project in it, we can just add that. So I would like to create the task in the project home construction. Okay, so whenever I submit this form, the task will be created under this. So let's save this. So once everything is done, you can provide the name of the customer. So I'm going to provide the name of the customer over here, and later on let's provide the name, number. So afterwards, we can provide the email. So I'm going to provide the email of the customer, and the company is Cybrosys Technologies. And the message subject is that we just need to make a design. So let's say room interior, interior design. Afterwards, uh, we can ask the question, does it cost? And if you have any files to attach, you can also attach that file. Now let me choose the files. As I just move on to the documents, here under the downloads, you can just search for the file. So yeah, you can choose that, and let's click on open, and let's submit this. So upon the submission of the form, we can see that a task will be created, and you can see the task number is uh, 63. And if you want to view the task, you can view it. So let's move on to the task, and here you can find the task that is created. And now let's move on to the project module. And in the project module, here you can find the home construction. So under the home construction, here you can see that a task is created, and under this you can find every details, that is the name that we have given, that is the subject, and the project under which this task is created, as well as you can see the task was submitted by the administrator Michelle admin on behalf of the customer, and the customer email will be given over there. And you can also see the message that we have given. And yeah, uh, here you can also find the attached file that we have given in the form. So that's how we just manage with the creation of the task in Odoo 18 website. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.